Welcome to an overview on how to install Bradley Loft Series Euro-style partitions. Before you begin, review the partition layout and drawings, and read through the installation manual to ensure proper installation. The parts and hardware included for this particular installation include the following. Measure the dimensions of the stall widths in compliance with the toilet placements and specifications. Install the first U-bracket vertically on the wall, 100 mm off the floor. Use a 4D laser level marking the center line of the U-bracket. Line up the U-bracket and mark the drill holes on the wall. Use an 8 mm drill bit to drill the pilot holes. Insert the plastic anchor and install the U-bracket. Using a 4D laser level and the first U-bracket as a guide, mark the locations of the tops or bottoms of the remaining U-brackets and install. Begin by installing the first panel. First apply silicone to the rear U-bracket side walls, then place the panel inside the bracket. Use jacks to verify the panel is level. Next, insert the feet with the escutcheon into the assembled plastic bushings in the bottom of the pilaster. Verify the measurements for the pilaster placements and verify the dimensions where the U-bracket is to be placed on the back of the pilaster. Ensure the U-bracket is level and flush with the bottom of the pilaster. Mark the drill holes. Using a 4.2 mm drill bit, drill the holes through the first panel only. Attach the U-bracket. Place the pilaster onto the panel. Make sure all panels and pilasters are plumb and flush. Using a 5 mm bit, drill through the U-bracket and one side of the panel only, at the top, middle, and bottom of the bracket. Use a rivet gun to secure the pilaster to the panel with 4.8 mm by 16 mm rivets. Install the next pilaster on the other side of the door using the same steps already mentioned. For 110-degree integral hinged doors, rest the aluminum channel and insert the hinge pin on top of the door. Remove the rubber ring from the plastic cam at the base of the pilaster, and then place the plastic cam in the desired position. Simultaneously, slide the door over the lower pin, while lining up the screws in the upper aluminum channel into the slots in the corresponding pilasters. For 180-degree barrel-hinged doors, line up the top barrel hinge on the door with the bottom barrel hinge installed on the pilasters. Then hang the door in place. With the first stall completed, continue with the subsequent stalls using the same instructions. Verify that all pilasters are level and flush. Measure the length of the headrail needed. Cut the headrail to the measured length. Rotate headrail facing down and mark at least 2 drill holes per stall along the top of the headrail. Using a 5 mm drill bit, drill the marked holes and mount the headrail to the top of the pilasters using rivets. Verify the vertical door gap is parallel with a 4 mm gap. Verify the upper horizontal gap between the door and cover profile is the same width, and make sure the doors are flush against the pilaster. After making final adjustments, mark and drill the holes to secure feet to the floor. Inside the stall, on the hinge side, drill holes just above the bottom of the pilaster, at the same height as the pre-drilled hole on the latch side of the pilaster. Drill into the pilaster face and into the center of the shaft of the foot using a 5 mm drill bit. Use a rivet gun and secure the pilaster to the shaft of the foot. To secure the foot on the latch side, drill through the pre-drilled holes on the edge of the pilaster and secure using the 4.8 mm by 45 mm screw. Press the black cover caps onto the blind holes. As a final step, install the indicator latches as outlined in the instructions.